This this is the Master Lock deadbolt. It was an Amazon choice for home security. The bitting, I'm just showing you the key so you can see the bitting. Now I will say this, this one can't be raked like every other Master Lock that I own, and the only reason it can't be raked is because this low cut pin right here, once it's set, it will not move at all. I mean, it's solid right where it's at, so you can't get the rake back around there to, you know, even with the jiggle motion, it just doesn't set that one high enough. And I doubt that that's on purpose. That's probably on accident, but it works completely in the favor of the security for this one. So I'm gonna go 50 thousandths pry bar, top of the keyway, and the Peterson's number 7, I believe, because I have to get around 4 and lift 5 up high. So going in, I'm gonna go, damn it, let me see if I can. There was a click on one with that one. So, click on 2, nothing on 3. Set 4, go to 5. Alright, I gotta click on 5, nothing on 4. Coming back to number 3, and we're open. So yeah, it's about what you expect from Master Lock. The only plus side is this one can't be raked.